everyone, and welcome to KYE Interactive. I am your host, Trupta Kolgod Nadkarni. On this digital platform, we've heard so many stories of entrepreneurs from various fields who've told us why 9 to 5 wasn't for them, but they wanted to do something very different, something out of the box. They wanted to follow their heart, their passion. Today's interview has been powered by MD Investments. So I'm going to be speaking with Suchita Bhargava and Sumit Gautam today, who are the co-founders of Rang Desi, where the main thought is to take Indian handloom and handicraft to every home and heart. Founded in 2012, the main dictum is to deliver the finest Indian merchandise without compromising on the quality, and also to make Indian ethnic products accessible across the globe. Rang Desi also aims to create a sustainable environment for craftsmen and artisans. And, they want to improve their compensation by doing away with the middlemen, and also at the same time ensuring that the customers receive products at a very reasonable price. That I think is really amazing. And we're going to find out more from Suchita and Sumit. So hi and welcome to the KYE platform. How are you guys doing today?
Hi, Trupta. Hi, Trupta. We are doing great.
We're very fine.
Yeah.
Surviving through this COVID-19.
Yes, absolutely. Just hoping and praying that kind of, just goes away for good. So
these are really very tough times actually.
These are absolutely tough times, and just like praying that things go back to normal, or that we have to settle for the new normal. So please tell us about Rang Desi and how it all came about. How did you guys form Rang Desi?
Yes, sir.
No, you can start.
See, Rang Desi is basically her idea.
Okay.
So she started with it in 2012. She started with the basic idea of taking all the basic the important arts of India, which were getting hidden in the rules and everything, which were not getting exposed enough.
Right.
So she started with the idea. 2014 we got married.
Okay.
So
sort of we in 2015 sort of relaunched Rang Desi.
Okay.
And, yeah.
So we both were in the same sort of business. Like I was earlier into digital marketing and e-commerce. She was also doing the same thing. So after getting married and after get to understand the basic ideas of business, so we decided to club together both the businesses and start running a single entity as such.
Right.
So that's how we came up with the idea.
Okay. And how did you come up about the name? Was it also a combined idea or thought?
No. Rang Desi, like जैसे नाम से समझ में आ रहा है, it's rang, like colors, because our products have colors of India, and the very ancient we use ancient techniques, colors, and the products. तो रंग देसी वहीं से डिराइव किया कि रंग मतलब मैं हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल कलर्स आपको दे रहे हैं, एंड दिस टिपिकल इंडियन प्रोडक्ट with lots of color, and you can fill your life and home with these colors. So Rang Desi all of a sudden एक उसमें मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा I never thought about that name. वो एक ही उसमें आ गया कि अच्छा ऐसा तो रंग देसी, और then we decided कि अभी यही नाम चलेगा.
One of the idea behind the name also we keep the name was that we Indians, we are fond of lot of colors.
Yes,
that's very true.
We want bright colors, lot of colors everywhere around. And Desi, we keep attached with it because, the moment we came Desi, we know that it's purely, it's made in India, it's made up of India, everything's India.
Right.
So we club together both the things, keeping in the mind that, it will give a registry in the mind of Indian customers that it's something related to Indians.
Absolutely.
It has to be close to the heart. So that is the basic idea.
And you rightly said, Desi bola to it definitely tugs at your heartstrings. Like, made in India, proudly made in India. So I think the name is pretty fitting. So what was the, why did y'all want to be entrepreneurs? Like, what was the motivation behind not doing the, 9 to 5, ghar aake ho jaye? Why did y'all want to be entrepreneurs?
I'll start. Earlier now I was working with banking sector.
Okay.
So banking sector में तो ना कि अभी बहुत सारे targets होते हैं, and we have so many products in our kitty कि अभी ये भी बेचो, and I'm typically from sales, मतलब मेरा pure sales वाला background है.
Okay.
So one day I thought कि यार now it's high time और अभी खुद का कुछ करते हैं एंड लेट्स लीव द जॉब। मतलब जो एक वो होता है ना कि मे भी शायद उस दिन बॉस से झगड़ा हुआ होगा और बस मतलब घर आके ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ये हुआ कि यार इफ आई कैन डू रियली वेरी गुड विद समवन अदर देन व्हाई नॉट मी। मतलब मैं अपने लिए खुद खुद कुछ क्यों ना करूं। तो इनिशियली जो थॉट था वो ये था कि नहीं अपने लिए करना है। तो आई स्टार्टेड मतलब आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि अभी लेट्स लीव द जॉब एंड स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑन माय ओन। बाद में लेटर दैट होल प्रोजेक्ट एंड होल आइडिया ऑफ रंगदेसी केम कि अभी करना है कुछ अपना, लेकिन करना क्या है वो बाद में आया। सो आई स्टार्टेड विथ अ स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग कि रंगदेसी में कुछ एक या with a limited audience, with a limited customer, I took Rangdesi on project basis. I thought कि let's see how it performs. Then उसको हम उसको next level पे लेके जाएंगे। तो या मेरा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी वहां से शुरू हुआ। Now let's hear about Sumer.
My idea was very simple from the start. I never wanted to do a job.
Okay, you didn't want to do it.
I'm never meant for job.
Okay.
Actually, you left a very handsome job.
The people telling me you have to do this, and I'm not convinced about it, and then you have to do it. That is something almost impossible for me. So I used to have a lot of interactions and a lot of contradictions in my office, and I was never comfortable in job. So I knew I had to do a business, so I started on.
Okay. So that's great. You were very clear from the start. 9 to 5 करना ही नहीं है, मुझे उस रास्ते जाना ही नहीं है।
बिल्कुल।
मैं कर ही नहीं सकता।
Though we work on late nights, though we work on weekends also, but वो 9 to 5 वाला बंद टिक जॉब नहीं करना।
Okay, नहीं, which is great. You all are clear, and like I said in the beginning, you are following your passion and your heart. So what is it about this field that gives you a sense of satisfaction बोलो या accomplishment या kick ही बोल दो। मतलब what is it that बहुत अच्छा लगता है that you guys are in this field and are entrepreneurs.
See, when people like you interview us for something, thinking that we have achieved something, I think that's a statement which that answer everything. But to be very honest, I said that I always wanted to work for myself, and I'm able to do that. I think that is the most satisfactory thing for me, to continue it.
Right.
True.
Correct.
And second, like Rangdesi, it's a social entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
So we basically directly work with artisans and underprivileged section of our society. So sort of we train them, then we actually help them generate their livelihood and maintain their livelihood. So ये मतलब एक accomplishment. Obviously, it's been more than 9 years now कि हम लोग रंगदेसी पे काम कर रहे हैं। बट जो मेजर अचीवमेंट हम लोग कहेंगे अपने लिए वो ये है कि इन द लास्ट 1 year इन कोविड टाइम्स इट्स अ वेरी टफ टाइम, बट इस टाइम पे हम लोगों की काम की वजह से, इनफैक्ट रंगदेसी की वजह से हमारे जो भी टीम है, पूरी टीम जिस तरह से सरवाइव कर रही है एंड वी आर एबल टू हेल्प देम एंड लाइक दो मतलब वेजेस कम हो गए हैं, सैलरीज कम हो गई हैं, बट स्टिल एवरीबडी हैज देयर जॉब। किसी का जॉब नहीं गया है, सबका घर चल रहा है। और जैसा कहते हैं ना कि घर का चूल्हा जल रहा है, बिकॉज हमारे आर्टिजन एक जो सबसे बड़ा सेंस ऑफ अकम्पलिशमेंट है हमारे लिए आज की डेट में वो यही है कि जब हमारे आर्टिजन से हमारे जो कॉलीग्स हैं, जब वो हमको आके ये बोलते हैं कि हाथ जोड़ के कि आपकी वजह से हमारे घर का चूल्हा जल रहा है, तो वो उससे बड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन कुछ नहीं है। मतलब चैलेंजेस बहुत हैं, काफी कुछ हैं, लेकिन स्टिल आई थिंक we have achieved something.
Yeah. Absolutely, because y'all have been for them during that tough time. So and y'all have you're working together as a team like a family. So I'm sure say that to you, that feeling is unmatched. So you were talking about challenges, Suchita, which was going to be my next question. You know, like what were the challenges that you guys faced when you all started Rang Desi, or the barriers? Uske bhi kafi naam hai, or obstacles. How did you get past them?
So many, so many.
See the bottlenecks when you start something, huh? So there are like a lot of phases where you feel you will have a lot of bottlenecks to come up with. Then the biggest obstacle which you have to come up with is finance.
Right.
Unless until you have the finance or you have the backing for somewhere, any idea, any strategy doesn't work.
Correct.
So the biggest challenge till date also we are facing is all the finance. Although we have like past 9 years, but at some level you still feel the pinch of it. Or you get the finance somewhere, and you do a lot of innovations. You can introduce a lot of products into it.
Right.
The other challenge which comes up is of market.
Marketing.
You know your product, what you want to do, but where will you sell it? How will you market it?
Yeah.
And in today's scenario, the marketing is again, because unless you market it, people will not know, and if they don't know, they will not buy.
Correct.
Actually, e-commerce it's a very competitive world. मतलब हमको हर कभी we have to launch every now and then a new product, a new range. So it takes a lot of efforts and money and everything. Second, to start with, when I started, so एक वो जो family का pressure भी होता है, obviously, because we are first generation entrepreneurs.
Okay.
So I hail from a family जहाँ पर सब maximum doctor, engineers हैं या government service में हैं, and सब job करते हैं.
Right.
When I announced कि I'm leaving my job and I'm starting my own firm, तो सबसे बड़ा जो शॉक कहिए या मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था, इट वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ वरी जो मेरी मम्मा की तरफ से आया था.
राइट.
मम्मी कि अच्छा ठीक है, यू वांट टू लीव, दैट्स ओके, बट अभी क्या करोगे, बिकॉज वो जो मंथली एक इनकम सैलरी जब आता है ना मंथ में, एंड व्हेन यू आर रनिंग अ वेरी हैंडसम सैलरी, और जब वो नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली उतना जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो तो उतना अच्छा सैलरी आपको नहीं मिलता शुरू में. इट्स ऑल द इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हिच गोस. तो सबसे बड़ा जो एक वरी रहता है कि यार अभी सिर्फ पैसा जाने वाला है, पैसा आने वाला नहीं है फॉर सम टाइम. तो एक वो सबसे बड़ा आपको अपनी फैमिली को, अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करना होता है कि नहीं, जो मेरा आइडिया है आई कैन डू दैट.
राइट.
तो सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्शन वो आता है. देन सेकंड ऑब्वियसली सुमित ने बोला कि मनी वो तो है ही. Then in our sector, designs and
finding right skill set also.
Right.
People with skills.
Right.
Like we do hand embroidery, then hand blocks. They're very particular and very skill based job.
Yeah.
So you have to find those skilled people also, where you can get the desired result of it.
Right.
That is also an obstacle.
Yeah, because these are age old techniques, very traditional techniques जिस पर हम लोग काम करते हैं. जैसे हैंड ब्लॉक, बाग कहिए या बगरू कहिए, बटीक कहिए, दीज ऑल आर एंशिएंट टेक्निक्स, एज ओल्ड टेक्निक्स हैं. तो वो उसको आज के मॉडर्न टाइम के हिसाब से उसको फ्यूजन करके और उसको रेप्लिकेट करना इट्स अ टफ जॉब. और साइमल्टेनियसली हमको क्वालिटी भी मेंटेन करना होता है, क्योंकि हैंड ब्लॉक इज ऑल अबाउट रॉनेस एंड सो ई कॉमर्स में इट्स अ चैलेंज कि आप उसको कस्टमर तक कैसे कन्वे करोगे दैट we are giving you a authentic and raw product. That's the beauty of hand block.
Right.
So वो एक चीज भी लोगों को कन्विंस करना पड़ता है लोगों को. And obviously the price range, we have a high price range product compared to the other market, regular products. So ये कुछ challenges हैं.
Right. Absolutely. But it's amazing that you guys are going strong for 9 years. So I'm sure abhi aapke parents, everybody is convinced, they know. And I would really like to tell our viewers, listeners, like please visit Rang Desi, see their products, because what I really liked about this is there are no middlemen, like you said. You all are trying to avoid that whole thing and directly
yes
to the artisans. So that in itself I think is really nice. So
I think now we are married, so our parents are not worried at all.
Absolutely. Fine, plus like 9 years and going strong. So I only wish all the best.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
So, where do you see Rang Desi in the near future, or like what are your business aspirations with regards to Rang Desi? Where do you want to take it?
Certainly,
Sumit will take over.
I think we both have same mindset on that. It has to become a international brand.
Yes. Okay.
That is what we are hoping, we are working on right now. So that once we are settled in the domestic market, which we almost have done, like we are still working on it, but we have a good name. I will not say big name, but we have a good name in domestic market.
Right.
So the next phase automatically will come that we'll start exporting and try to get our name in the international market. But COVID-19 is again playing their own games with it. So it's pushing our whole marketing strategy for us also.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So getting your name out there in the international market. Slowly but surely, I think it will happen. Like, the COVID, I think now we have to accept that it's there, but we just have to adapt and make our way around.
We have to rethink about that how in these tough times, we can again, market our product, keeping the safety of the customers first. So that is the most important nowadays. The hygienity. So we are thinking that we'll create some processes on it wherein we can tell our customers also through a video, through our tutorials, on newsletters, wherein we can show them that this is the kind of safety measure we're taking on.
Right.
This is so that they also feel comfortable. Yes, we can buy this product. They are safe for us. They're safe for the children also.
Absolutely.
That is it. Yeah.
Very true. Go ahead, Suchita.
Yeah. I mean, the next expansion strategy, actually, franchisee wala. So post-COVID, we will definitely work on our franchisee model because हम लोग उस पे काम कर रहे थे, but we put it on hold. Because retail is not doing great these days. So post-COVID, we will again start our franchisee model, जहाँ पे हम लोग यहाँ पर हम लोग will expand our retail presence in other cities like metro cities. जो हम लोग ऑलरेडी पहले प्लान कर रहे थे in 2019, बट वो वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ and then 2020 came and everything. So at least we'll start with 4 major cities and let's hope.
Yes, fingers crossed, and I'm sure it will work out. I'm sure.
Yeah.
So it definitely will work out, and we keep our fingers crossed for that. So from when you guys started, the whole, you founded Rang Desi, you're moving forward. It's been 9 years. What changes do you think it has brought about in you, this whole venture? How has it changed you guys?
I think
we would like to take this one.
We have become 9 years old now.
Right, that is
9 years mature.
I think our perspectives and looking at things have changed.
Yes, totally.
Like working for someone else and working for ourselves is a totally whole different scenarios. So taking decisions and creating strategies and talking to people, how you think, what do you think, that has completely taken a complete 360-degree of U-turn.
Right.
So that I think that for me that is the biggest change I feel in myself.
Right.
I feel more mature, more responsible now. Earlier when you work with someone else, then you don't care basically.
Right.
And now we feel like we are jack of all trades because entrepreneurs वही होता है अभी सब कुछ आपको ही करना है. So if either it's finance, either it's marketing, either it's design, project, everything. So obviously मतलब as a human being, obviously हम लोग काफी mature हुए हैं, thinking wise everything, and professionally जो एक हम लोगों का एक्सपोजर है, एक देखने का नजरिया है हर चीज को, वो काफी हर डिपार्टमेंट वाइज वो काफी चेंज हुआ है, काफी मैच्योर हुआ है. सेकंड, ये तो मतलब स्टार्टिंग का है. देन रंग देसी के साथ साथ जब हम लोग ने ग्रो किया है, तो एक खुद के लिए तो है ही चीजें चेंजेस हैं, एक जो सोसाइटी के लिए भी हम लोग चेंजेस देखते हैं, तो वो एक क्या बोलना चाहिए, सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट नहीं, मतलब एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम लोग में ज्यादा आई है.
As an entrepreneur, I think the kind of experience, the rich experience you get, that is something which completely change your perspective and thinking of of putting everything into, in anything and everything.
Correct.
I think that is the biggest change. I'm sure every entrepreneur will agree with me that is the biggest change they will feel in themselves.
Right. Right. Like you rightly said, क्योंकि आपको ही सब करना पड़ता है A to Z. There's no other third person. So you have a sense of responsibility towards everybody.
Right.
So absolutely, very rightly said. So please share some words of wisdom कहो या advice कहो for upcoming and the budding entrepreneurs out there. क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में ideas तो है ही, लेकिन how to go about it, how to start, how to convince my parents, everything, right? It's all mixed. So what would you like to say to them?
First, do your homework.
Okay.
और start with a little project. मतलब आप एक पायलट प्रोजेक्ट के रूप में शुरू करिए अगर आपको कुछ आइडिया, इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी बैकअप. बैकअप एज इन फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, मतलब फैमिली बैकअप इमोशनली, फिजिकली एंड ऑफ कोर्स फाइनेंशियली. अगर आपके पास ये बैकअप नहीं है देन काफी सोच समझ के आप स्टार्ट करिए. एंड जैसे मैंने किया, मतलब आई फील कि वो मुझे शायद मतलब जॉब के रहते हुए आई कुड हैव स्टार्टेड दिस थिंग साइड में. वो करना चाहिए आजकल के बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को, क्योंकि उसमें क्या होता है ना, एक आपके पास एक सिक्योरिटी होती है. समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग, एटलीस्ट यू हैव फाइनेंसेस इन प्लेस.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज यू नेवर नो, बिकॉज फाइनेंस हर चीज के लिए जरूरी है. तो अगर आप खुद कुछ कर रहे थे और फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, आपका कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, तो स्टार्ट लिटिल, स्टार्ट स्मॉल. बहुत बहुत बड़ा सा एकदम मत स्टार्ट करो, बट यू शुड बी क्लियर इन योर हेड. आपका प्रोजेक्ट आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए, आपको स्टेप्स क्लियर होने चाहिए कि आपका एक क्या बोलना चाहिए, जैसे हम बचपन में एक शेड्यूल होता था हमारे पास कि इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक हमें स्टडीज करनी है, देन इट्स लंच टाइम, देन इट्स प्ले टाइम. So make a schedule for yourself, make a schedule for your company.
Right.
And small मतलब एक लंबा टारगेट मत रखो, थोड़ा थोड़ा शेड्यूल बना के रखिए. Keep everything in place.
Yeah.
Especially finance.
Especially finance. Yes, especially finance.
बिल्कुल. अगर देखो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. If you have money in your hand initially, तो आप उसको काफी कुछ उसमें नई चीजें यू कैन ट्राई, न्यू थिंग्स, यू कैन ट्राई मार्केटिंग, यू कैन ट्राई सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. तो अगर वहां पे लेकिन अगर आपका हाई टाइट हो जाता है, हाथ टाइट हो गया तो वो प्रोजेक्ट वहीं फेल हो जाता है. तो बेस्ट इज कि स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ पायलट प्रोजेक्ट आप स्टार्ट करो. मेक योर बेस. इफ यू आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग समथिंग, इफ यू आर इन सेल्स, first target your do some homework on your target customers. आप पहले अपनी नीड जनरेट करो प्रोडक्ट की, देन स्टार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. डोंट स्टार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फर्स्ट देन स्टार्ट नीड. नो, इट गोज रॉन्ग. वो गलत चला जाएगा. So yeah, you wanted to say something?
I think my idea is slightly different from hers.
हम दोनों अलग अलग स्टार्ट किए थे ना, इसलिए
I have a basic, I am an instinct guy basically, so I will say that if you have an idea, you should try it.
No,
unless until you try it, you will never know whether the idea is good or bad.
Okay.
But yeah, you have to do your homework, that is for sure.
Right.
The homework has to be done because at least you should know what you're doing. It should not be one day you wake up and say, "मैं करता हूँ, let's do it." Should be like that.
Right.
But you should have some little sort of homework कि अच्छा मुझे क्या करना है, what needs to be done.
Right.
I think that is, for me, that's the most important thing. Rest things, when you start doing them, things keep falling into places. And of course, you have to be very disciplined about it. You cannot be in a very casual way, let's do it and done that.
Yeah.
It doesn't work like that.
Absolutely. And it's good that आप लोग को दोनों ने अलग अलग ideas दिए. So हमारे for our viewers and listeners, it's good. It's not one thing. Like it has a different
fighting on that ideas. हम लोगों के बहुत disagreements होते हैं. It's always to have disagreements. It's always
that's what makes it interesting, I think.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, like they said, do your homework and have a backup, and don't give up. And like Sumit said, just go for it. If you succeed, great. If fail, you can always try again. And like Suchita said, keep your finances in place always, and have a project first, and then see how it goes. So both. Yeah. So I think both these advices are really good. And thank you so much. It was great speaking with both of you on the KY
Pleasure was all mine.
platform. And we wish
Thanks.
all the very best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Trupta.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.
And take care of yourself and family.
All too. Take care. And
thank you.
Okay.